ao mahugukiire monanio ma acrobatic nigwo gutigirira ati ni makorwo makimathira ubocho wao. Gikundi kimwe na kiria kimenyekanite ta sarakasi acrobatic icokaniriirie ayuthi aria matehotete aria makiri na mawathe o undu umwe na aria maumite njera kumana na mahitia ngurani magakimarehe hamwe na makorwo magitabania monanio maya kundu ngurani. Ica ikuhi marakorirwo magitabania monanio mao ma acrobatic kuria kaunti-ini ya Kirisho hindi ya ukungwiri wa muthi wa Mashujaa Day. Reke tukorwo tukiamukira riboti ino ya mwanyira twikuhaririria muthi wa umuthi.
Hihi wanaigua monanio ma acrobatic maria mahananagio na magegania mathi? Riu monanio maya ni magirire ngumo guku bururi-ini thutha wa ayuthi kumahugukira na njira nene mena monanio ma kumakania ona ma kugegia andu. Mathina kuna ni manoraga mundu akohiga kwambatira gwa thogora wa muturire ucungiriirie kwambatira kwa namba nene ya mbeu njithi aria matari mawira nginyagia mirioni 1.5 aria mari na miaka kuma 20 nguthi nginya 29 na ni kuringana na data cia ruhonge rwa dalili wa guku bururi-ini.
I realized that I'm flexible and could do a lot of things.
Ayuthi aya methete njira ya mwanya ya kung'ethanira na muturire muritu kuria ta uria uramona gicicio-ini giaku mahugukiire monanio ma acrobatic kuria gikundi kimwe na kiria kimenyekanite ta sarakasi acrobatic gicokaniriirie ayuthi aria matari mawira aria mena mawathe na aria maumite njera mena iheo ici kumahura njeki miturire-ini yao.
I am a dancer by profession, fitness trainer and also dance choreographer. I joined Sarakasi in the year 2017. Sarakasi has taught me how to package myself as an artist and how to earn from my art and how to make it beautiful.
DJ K's mwambiriria wa gikundi giki anatariria uria mbeu njithi aya mena uhoti wa kwihiuria guku magikaga maundu mangi ma magegania. Uhiano mwega ari ni kuona mundu agithiururukia metha na maguru na ndimutihie kana nyungu ya riumba na ndeatuke guku rwimbo rugithiaga na mbere na kuria nigetha monanio maya mekike mundu arabatarwo kuriha kiingiriro kiria marahuthira gwikuria na kio.
So circus is a fusion between your favorite festival club night vibes where you've got your favorite DJs up on stage doing their own thing, and it's fused and married together with elements of the circus, so performing arts all around you at the same time. So whether it's jugglers, fire breathers, unicyclists, stilt walkers, contortionists, everything that you could find at the circus is in and around the crowd, happening all at the same time while you're dancing to your favorite DJ.
Gikundi giki ni gikite monanio miena-ini ngurani ya guku bururi-ini. Ica ikuhi ari ni ukungwiri wa muthi wa Mashujaa uria macanjamurire aikari a Kirisho na monanio mao ma magegania na makimatiga megegire na tutunua twao ni kwaga kumanyotoka.
Up to kind of becoming world-class performers because they have trainings and workshops from all kinds of instructors from around the world kind of thing, and a lot of these guys are from, you know, slum areas, they're from less fortunate areas, some of them are even from prison, you know what I mean, and we kind of try to give these guys a chance to make something of their lives through the creative arts, you know, and not just giving them a life but also ensuring that they get paid for it.
Wonete mundu agithiururuka na kiongo guku rwimbo rugithiaga na mbere ku mwanake uyu kiheo giake ni kia mwanya na riu anakihuthira kwimathira ubocho wake akiuga ambiririe mwaka wa 2017 kuria ambiririe mehaririria riu akiuga ino ituikite wabici yake ya o muthenya.
I'd urge anyone else who feels like you have a talent, you want to build it, you want to make something out of it, please come. Sarakasi welcomes you with open arms.
Everin uria waingirire gikundi giki mwaka-ini wa 2019 augite ni kimuhotithitie guthie miena mingi ya bururi hanene hamwe na nja wa bururi gwika monanio maya kuria mbeca iria onaga imuhotithitie kwirugamirira kimuturire undu umwe na kung'ethanira na kwambatira gwa thogora wa muturire na njira nene.
Like I was in Italy 2021 because of my talent, so I would advise those who are talented to join us and make the best of you.
Riu ayuthi aya maikitie ritana kuri mbeu njithi o yothe kuhuthira tarada yao wega kuona mawira ni magu na gikiro kinene guku bururi-ini.
To join Sarakasi because you'll avoid idling and abusing drugs.
Kiribotera Muthingi TV rekwa ni maina wa mucwe.
Ani mamu gikunda gikihititie riria akiugiria ati Thina